Hey guys, what's up? It's Lila back with another video. So I am just doing these random question things, and it's just gonna ask me questions, and I wanna see what I am. I'll be trying a bunch of them on. So, what's your favorite element? Would have to be water because I love swimming. Make it. When someone is being overly dramatic about a situation, you tend to stay out of it, get angry and annoyed, try to figure out the meaning behind it, get advice and helpfully lead them. Have no idea how to react. I'm joking. Okay, so this I'm gonna be like real. I feel at peace with myself most of the time. Very accurate, fairly accurate. I'm not the smartest person, you know. Do you think you're a good person? I always give my best. I cannot judge that myself. Most of the times I think of myself as a good human being, but I also make mistakes. That's me. Back to the next question. I'm sorry if you hear my dad. How do you react with a homeless person and asks you for money? I ignore him and try to. Okay. As I told you, sometimes I give him something, sometimes not. Now you click. Okay, so I was back. I just was on a 5-minute call with my mom, and yeah. So now let's see what one. Sometimes I give something, sometimes not. Cause like if I do have money, I would obviously give it to them. Oof, yeah. Always give every homeless person something. Yes. If I can, I try. Or I go to Hungry Jack's and buy them like a treat. Yeah. I frequently do things with a specific schedule plan. If I plan something fairly. With which animal do you feel can't read connected? To big cats of all kinds. I'm a person of the ocean, therefore all residents of the ocean. My second question was, yeah, after winning the lottery, what's the first thing you buy? A vacation, a new car, presents for loved ones, a new house, nothing. Presents for loved ones because they do a lot for me, so. What do you want to reach in your life? A family house, a tree. I want to reach big things. I want to live in peace and to make the world. I have no plans and I am guided by my intention. I want to reach big things and learn more, do better things. The more useful I am to others, the happier I am. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay. I'll be back when it's light. I'm not a cancer though. I'm Leo. Okay, so I'm just gonna react to some messages. Okay, person. How's it going? The house is on fire. Piper is beating Parker with a skateboard and Billy is doing body shots from a hooker's belly button. Why can't I have fun like that at home? Well, Mum, I would like to let you know that I feel robbed for not growing up in a colder place because I could be an Olympian for glorified sledding. You've finally unveiled my secret guilt. I've failed you. I hope with much therapy you will be able to move past the can't be bothered reading. I'll be back. Okay, instead I'm gonna tell you guys something about me because I do be doing reaction videos. It's just I can't find the perfect website to record. So, about me. Oh, my name is Lila Mae Christina Hannon. I am 11 years of age. My favorite color is green. I live in a home. I have 2 sisters and 2 brothers. But 2 of them are half. Oh, so I only live with my dad, with my brother William and my sister Margie. Yeah, so I live with my dad. I used to live with my mom, but my mom like into drugs and stuff, and but I still call my mom, so she's really nice. I love her. Um, I love to do gaming. I love to play outside, and I love to do boxing. Oh, I never knew I could do that. And my favorite YouTuber is probably Shane Dawson. And yeah. And I want to show you. Okay, so you go on YouTube. And here's a hidden thing about Logan Paul. I have not seen this. I figured it out myself. He might think someone else done it, but oh, these are from watching his most things. I was trying to learn how to get free real. As you see, you search up Logan Paul. Go down, go to his YouTube channel, Logan Paul Vlogs, and I want to show you something that you Paul Logan. And comment down below if you think he should get a second chance. Okay, so as you see, go in the middle of my YouTube channel, okay? Let's go in the middle of my YouTube channel. His YouTube channel. What do you see? This is the middle. How many letters do you see in Maverick? 8. 8 days, okay? And in one of his videos, I think he said, in the Christmas song, he said, I'm going to have a break. Or this is like, yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I was correct. So 8 letters, 8 days, okay? So he might be coming back in 8 days. So I'm sorry if this was like, a weird video. I just didn't know what to do and I've been really bored today, so. Happy Australia Day. Like, subscribe, and comment down below you think if I'm correct or wrong, and if you should tell me what I should do. And next video I might be showing my brother in it. So, bye.